Hello, 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 and welcome to Bima's Crafty Corner. My name is Els, or Bima, whatever, you know. That's Harry. He's here too. So what we're doing is what is called Monday Mixed Media Mini Morsels, and this is episode 8. We use Sorry, the cat is driving me nuts at the moment. There we go. We use a list from my Google Docs that has a bunch of mixed media prompts on it. Right now we're at 50 prompts. If you'd like to add something, let me know, and we'll, take it under advisement. But you can get a copy of this by clicking on the more in the description box below, and that's going to get you over to some links. Now, we also use a random number generator, and that is, that's just so that we know it's, above board. So I'm going to pull 5 prompts. You can do these in any order that you want. You can combine them. You can do whatever you want with them. That is the nature of this. Mixed media, true mixed media, is just kind of letting things happen. So our first prompt this week is number 19, and that is add paint with a brayer. Hold on, we'll talk about these at the end. Number 47, outline. Number 10, texture paste. Number 11, sprays. And 38, embellishments. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and talk about these real quick. Adding paint with a brayer. A brayer is, it's like a rolling thing. But if you don't have that, use a gift card. Like this one that I annoy everybody with because it looks so delicious. It's a sandwich. You just can, just shoop, shoop, shoop. Works perfectly fine. Outline. Take a marker or a pen and outline something on your piece. Texture paste. Now, if you don't have texture paste, you can use anything that you want, really. But if you would like to get some texture paste, you can go to my On the Cheap playlist. There's a recipe in there. 3 ingredients. It's glue, powder, and paint. Okay? And you can even tint it any color you want using a different paint. Yeah. Sprays, any kind of spray that you want. It could be a glimmer spray, a shimmer spray, an alcohol ink spray, whatever it is that you want. Again, there's on my playlist On the Cheap, there's some sprays you can do. And an embellishment, that's any kind of embellishment, anything that you would use to embellish anything else. So maybe it's bling, maybe it's washi tape, maybe it's a picture, maybe it's a sticker, whatever it is, okay? So you're going to just do all of those. You can do them in any order that you want. You can combine them together if you choose. This is entirely your project. If you would like to share it with us, we would love to see it. You can post your creation and get a copy of this list by clicking on more in the description box below, and that's going to take you to the links. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.